Do you want to grow your business online, but struggle to get consistent customers? In today's digital world, your online presence decides your success, and that's where SEO comes in. SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your business appear on top of Google search results. When your website ranks higher, more people visit your site, and more visitors mean more potential customers. Step 1. Keyword research. Find what your target audience is searching and use those keywords in your content. Step 2. Create high-quality content. Your content should solve problems, answer questions, and provide real value. Step 3. On-page SEO. Optimize your titles, meta descriptions, headings, and images properly. Step 4. Off-page SEO. Build strong backlinks and promote your content across different platforms. Also, make sure your website is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Remember, SEO takes time, but the results are powerful and long-lasting. Start today, and grow your business with SEO Rocket.